Welcome to video number 6. This is the front end offer. So with the front end offer, you simply look at the first one-time offer and you grab a piece of that. And when I say grab a piece of that, I mean really just grab some tips, grab some content, and then you create the front end offer. Now the front end offer could be, elaborated upon and expanded upon. You can add things to it and things like that. So as an example before, the one-time offer number 1, with the example before, would be 3 to 4 months of tax tips. So with taxes always updating and regulations and things like that, you got 3 to 4 months of tax tips. Then the front end offer of that, if you grab a piece of that, will essentially be maybe an ebook with checklists, action workbooks. Maybe you take a couple of those tips and elaborate upon them, or you can start with a more basic view of how to save taxes in general, or maybe the top 20 things that people forget to deduct during tax time. And once you've done that, you can even expand on it and you can throw in, things like screenshots, infographics, images, and other things like that. So as you can see, this is pretty easy, right? Well, if it's not super clear, don't worry, because we'll actually do some more examples in video 8. And before we get to video 8, of course, I'm going to talk about the last item in the backward funnel method, which is your lead magnet, which is something that you'll want to give away for free in exchange for people to sign up onto your list as prospects, so you can build that list, build a relationship with them, and of course sell your products.